Okay, so part of the Tuscan Soup, making sure you incorporate all that, those greens with the sausage and already cooked mirepoix, and I added some other stuff, celery. And then I'm going to pour in some hot, make sure your stock is, that's a diluted stock because there's so much flavor in the sausage. I could go ahead and dilute it. So I do half water and half stock. So you make sure it's hot, you pour it in. Okay? And then you just let it simmer. Season to taste. I'm going to add the beans and I'll show you the final results.